Speed Passage English 60 Para. In the modern world of today, it is absolutely necessary that communications between businessmen are speedy and efficient. Businessmen need to know what is going on in the markets. This knowledge is essential for them because it is only when they have this knowledge they are in a position to arrange for the purchase or sale of goods. In addition to this, businessmen also need to keep themselves fully informed of the various government policies and, most important of all, the activities of their competitors in order to keep the wheels of commerce turning. Communications have to be efficient and in operation 24 hours a day. Para. The important systems of communication in operation today are the octal services, telephone, telegram and telex, commercial communications which are not of very urgent nature are carried on by letters, postcards, act. For instant communication, the most popular system is the telephone. The telephone is perhaps the most important part of the equipment in any modern office. Tele services provide a direct link between subscribers. In addition to this, many more new and fast means of communication are coming into existence. The important point in all these systems which must be taken into consideration is that they should be efficient and reliable. If businessmen or organizations, their businesses is likely to suffer. Therefore, efficiency in the various communication systems is of great importance over